Unit 7 and 8 mock end of year exam questions or mock exemplar question. Question number 1. So it says, given f of x is equal to this quadratic equation, 4x squared minus 2x plus 3, find the value of f of 0.5. Okay? So we were given this function, which is represented by a quadratic. All right? I know it's a quadratic function because we see we have an x squared. All right? So we know that this is a quadratic function. We need to find the value of f of 0.5. All right? F of 0.5 just means that anywhere I see x, I'm going to replace the x with what? 0.5. So again, when I look at this f of 0.5, this 0.5 is replacing the x. All right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to rewrite this equation and I'm going to replace all my x's with parentheses. And what do you think is going to go inside of that parentheses? 0.5. So inside of both of my parentheses, I'm going to plug in 0.5. Okay? Something like this, you can plug all of this into your calculator and then it will give you the answer. However, you can calculate this with a smaller calculator or not utilizing the large calculator that you're given, all right? And this is how you can do it, okay? So in order of PEMDAS, so again, in order of PEMDAS, all right, you do parentheses, then exponents, then multiply, then divide, then add, then subtract. In this case, there's nothing I can calculate inside of the parentheses, so now I'm going to apply the exponent, all right? So when I apply the exponent, I'm going to do 0.5 squared, which is 0.5 multiplied by itself. So I'm going to use my smaller calculator, but I already know that 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 will give me 0.25, all right? Then I'm going to multiply it by 4. So now I'm going to multiply by 4. So again, I'm following PEMDAS. After exponents, then we would multiply because there's a number in front, okay? And I would get 1, okay? So this will give me 1. Then I'm going to multiply negative 2 by 0.5. So again, I'm going to multiply negative 2 by 0.5. And I should get 1. Okay, because if you double a half, you get a whole. Okay, so this would be a negative 1 because I multiplied a negative by a positive. Okay, and then the positive 3, I bring it down. Okay, so 0 minus 1 or 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 plus 3 is 3. So my answer for this is 3.